Hello dear viewers, let's do Gel X today, and this is how you do your Gel X. So first you will have to prep your natural nails like that. I'm using this drill bit. I don't know how it's called, but it's the best bit I usually use for my prep. Then after that I usually buff my nails so that I can remove any unnecessary bumps in my natural nails. Then you'll go ahead, cut your cuticles. I prefer using this cuticle cutter because it works best for me rather than nipper. Then you will apply primer. After applying primer, then you will use your adhesive gel on this Gel X tips like that. Then that's how you do your installation. You hold until it adheres easily on your natural nails like that. Then you move to the next. That's how you will do it. You apply your adhesive gel on your Gel X tips. Then you place it on your natural nails towards the cuticles, close to the cuticles like that. Then you press it and you spotlight it using that mini UV like that. Like in short, unamulika. That's a Swahili language. So after that, you will repeat that in all the nails until you're done. That's when you will cure them in the main UV for like 3 minutes, not 3 minutes, but 2 minutes. Then you will start shaping. So I'm repeating this in all of these ones so that you can see how I'm doing it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, you hold it in a position until it sticks. There is no presence of bubbles, and that's what you check. Mostly you make sure there is no bubbles in your Gel X. You will repeat that. As you can see, I'm on thumb, and that's the end of application on one side of the hands like that. Then you will remove the excess glue, adhesive gel, then you cure for that period like 2 minutes. Then you will cut them to the length that your client wants. So in this case, my client wanted a little bit of short nails, and that's what I was doing. So I'm using my eyes to measure. Don't use your eyes. You can use a magnetic nail edge cutter to measure. You can use 2 magnet, 3 magnet. I'll show you guys in the near future. So I was shaping ballerina. This is how you shape your ballerina. You focus on both sides and you apply the same pressure, the same force on both sides. Then you work on the free edge like that. That's how you hold your file, guys. Then that's how you hold your nails into position. You make sure you support them so that you don't hurt your client. That's how you're going to do it. You'll do that to all of the nails until you feel like the shape is okay and there is that shape you wanted. In this case, we're using ballerina. Ballerina is literally a shape of coffin, but it doesn't have the sharp corners. Then you will use your e-bit to seal your cuticle area like that. Yes, that's how I usually use my e-bit to seal my cuticles. So that I can have a perfect cuticle line. Then after that, you will buff your nails to remove the shine like that. I'm speeding up the video so that it doesn't get boring. Then use acetone to seal the cuticle area. Then you will do your application like that. In this case, I'm using a local brand. It's called Roniki, and I'm using KE101. You can get it in any store in Kenya. This is how you do it. You apply it like that, a thin coat. You make sure you don't flood the cuticle area and you have a neat and seamless cuticle region. That's how you do it. And you make sure you stroke your brush to and fro from the cuticle to the free edge like that. And you make sure you have the C shape on the cuticle area like that, so that you can have a perfect result. Yeah, you will repeat that. And in case you are doing nail art, remember this gel is best for nail art, and it's best for French, best for ombre. It like ombre, I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but this is how you do it. You do first coat, you cure for 2 minutes, then you do the second coat, you cure for 2 minutes again, then you can start arting. So make sure your UV is working well, and don't use UV with higher watts. They usually don't cure well. That's now me doing the second coat, and you make sure you apply it very neat and very thin. This is a very good gel for that purpose. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. and it's coming out nicely. Remember, I've not washed nor applied base coat. Base coat is unnecessary in this case. Don't apply base coat while there is artificial nails on top of your natural nails. Base coat is literally for natural nails only. That's when you apply base coat, to avoid your nails being bulky. That's why I didn't apply base coat. I just went ahead with my color. So I'm doing second coat, guys. This second coat, I'll cure it for 3 minutes in case I'm not doing art. But if I'm doing art, I'll start arting at the second minute. So that's how you will apply it. And as you can see, it's coming out very nice. I've not washed the nails. So after washing and arting, that's how the result should be looking neat. Your cuticle should be neat like that. Subscribe.